back to the channel, everybody. It's time to get started on the turbo project. So got the AC evacuated from the car yesterday, which means we can now start disconnecting AC lines. That's kind of the one thing you don't want to do at home unless you have an evacuation system or method that doesn't involve just releasing it out into the air. So got that done, but now comes the disassembly part. So these videos are gonna be basically moving forward all turbo project, short of whatever ends up being posted on this channel. So if you guys are excited for this, do me a favor, go down below, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss anything. I post videos every single weekend, at least I try to, with some little things in between. Follow me on Instagram for progress, you know, all that stuff. This is a big project. We haven't done anything like this to the Miata since like 2020, back when we did the initial 2.5 swap on this thing. So super stoked to get this started. Still waiting on parts. Some things are in the works, being swapped in and out. But otherwise, the last update video that I posted basically was pretty accurate to what we have. Installing the Pulsar 2860R Turbo, all of that good stuff. So we're getting into it today. And since this is an NA build, it is not forced induction or anything like that. Naturally aspirated, that's what NA stands for. We've got a big header, we've got an air intake, you know, that kind of stuff, but we're not gonna need all of it. Obviously with the turbo swap, you're moving your air filter from the intake side of the engine over to the exhaust side of the engine bay. And we don't need our short ram intake kind of setup anymore. We're not gonna be able to use our strut bar either, swapping out our oil catch can for a better, more proper one. And we're just gonna be moving some things around. Just taking stock of what we have, getting our parts off, and yeah, here we go. But first, really quick, before we get this video started, if you are a Miata guy and you haven't already picked up a set of door straps, they are available right now on superautomotiveaccessories.com. Link is down in the description. The door strap pulls are better than ever with all new hardware, custom 3D printed materials, and fit perfectly into the interior of your NC Miata. If you want to support the channel further, you can pick up one of these sweet shirts, Circuit Spirit Racing Team. Don't forget to grab a hat while you're there. Super comfy shirts, really well-fitting hats. So go pick up your Super Automotive Accessories merch. And now let's get back to the video.
Push until we overflow, that's just how the story goes. Yeah. Push until we overflow, that's just how the story goes. Hey. Push until we overflow, that's just how the story goes. Yeah. Push until we overflow, that's just how the story goes.
I'm gonna call it for today. I still need to take out all the fluids from the car, but I don't really have like all of my fluid containers ready or anything like that. but made a lot of good progress. All the battery, the airbox, pretty much everything is disconnected from the engine except for the hoses leading to the coolant and heater core, power steering, and brake line slash clutch fluid, clutch line. So yeah, good progress for sure. Next steps being getting the car up, getting underneath, getting the exhaust out, mid-pipe at least, as well as the drive shaft, body bracing, you know, all that kind of stuff. But next video. And I will be listing some of this stuff for sale. By the time you're seeing this video, it's probably on the NC Miata Facebook for sale group, specifically the Auto XC strut bar and the air box air filter thing. I don't know if I'm selling this yet. I've never seen another one of these, the Jetstream carbon fiber intake chamber. I'll think about it. Maybe shoot me a message if you really want it for the right price. Also, if you don't have a strut bar in your car, if you have like a sport model, I will have the OEM one for sale with the cowl bracket if you need it. I'll throw that in as well. I also found these. These are baffles for a Goodwin Racing muffler. I don't know if it's for the Super Q or the Roadster Sport, but I've got these two. They'll be for sale as well. But I'm feeling good. It's been a long time since I've done a big project on this car, or really any car. I guess the last big one was the Fit, but that wasn't fun stuff. It was like maintenance that needed to be done. So this is fun, it's exciting. I'm really stoked to keep going on this, but I'm gonna close this one out. Thank you guys for watching. Go down below, hit subscribe if you haven't already, so you stay tuned for the updates on this. Give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments. I'll see you guys in the next turbo episode.